Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 6.2. Okay, CBSE 6th standard maths exercise 6.2. In 6.2 what we have to learn? We have to learn the number line. Okay, first question is, using the number line write the integer. Using the number line write the integer which is what? A is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay, so using the number line we have to solve this. That write the integer which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay, more than what? 5. So here first draw the number line. Okay, see 5 is positive integer. Okay, so we can start here from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now see the question is 3 more than 5. Okay, 3 more than 5. So first we select here 5. Okay, and then go to the right because 3 more numbers were to move. So more means added. Okay, extra. So it is added to it. That's why we move to right side. So when we move to the 3 places, okay, then what we get? We get the number 8. Okay, so the answer is 8. So 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means how to write this? 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Okay, so all the questions from the question number 1 you have to solve using number line. Okay, then second is 5 more than less 5. B is 5 more than less 5. Okay, now I draw the different number line here. Okay, 5 more than less 5. So which number we want? Less 5. We can start with less 5 or less 6 also, and more is there, so the number or the place moving towards right. Okay, so here we start with negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, then 0, then positive 1, positive 2. Okay, now here question is 5 more than negative 5. 5 more than negative 5. So first we start from negative 5. Okay, now we move towards right by 5 places. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we get the answer 0. Okay, we get the answer 0. So if we write this in a numerical method, then it will be negative 5 plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5, because 5 more is there. So 5 more means what? We added the 5 in the negative 5. Okay, so whenever the sum is like this, negative 5 plus 5 means it is additive inverse. Okay, so sum of additive inverse is 0. So 5 and minus 5 is 0. So answer will be 0. Okay, C is there 6 less than 2 and D is there 3 less than negative 2. So I will take D1 3 less than negative 2. 3 less than negative 2. See, here it is less. Less means what? We have to move to the left. Okay, on number line we move to the left. So, starting with negative 2. So, it is 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6 and so on. Here positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. Okay, so start with negative 2. Don't start with 3. If you started with 3, then it's a wrong. Okay, what we have to do? We have to less 3 from negative 2. From where we have to less? We have to less from negative 2. So take this negative 2 first. Okay, and 3 less. 3 less means we have to move towards left side. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 places. Okay, 3 places we move to the left. So answer is negative 5. In numerical way, if we write it in a numerical way, then what it is? We have to less 3 from the negative 2. So negative 2 is first and minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3. Now the answer is negative 2 minus 3. Then answer will be negative 5. Okay, so it is our answer. So C is also same. If less is there, then subtract here and give the answer. Answer will be here only. So it is question number 1. Now question number 2. In question number 2, use number line and add the following integers. Use number line and add the following integers. So using number line, we have to add the integers. First is 9 plus negative 6. First is 9 plus negative 6. We have to use number line and add the following integers. So here we started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So 9 plus negative 6. Negative 6 means what? Whenever there is negative 6, then we move towards left side. Okay. So we started with 9, okay, and move to left. How many places we have to move? 6 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our answer is positive 3. Okay. So 9 plus negative 6 equals to positive 3. Okay. Question number 2b is 5 plus negative 11. Okay. Same, just like it. So start with 5 and move to 11 places to the left. Okay. So we get the answer directly. I will explain you. C, negative 1 plus negative 7. Negative 1 plus negative 7. So negative 1 plus negative 7, for that so start with 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Okay. Now here negative 1 is there. Okay. And we have to add negative 7. Okay. We added it negative 7, but here it is negative 7 is there. So we move to the left. Okay. So what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. Okay, we have to move 7 places. So answer is negative 8. So negative 1 plus negative 7 equals to negative 8. Okay. So now E is there, negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. Negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. It is also same, started with negative 1. Okay. But we have to add negative 2 in that. So move to the left 2 places. It is negative 1 plus negative 2 and plus negative 3 means starting with here 1, 2, 3, 3 places. So answer is negative 6. Okay. So here question number 2 is over. Now question number 3 is add without using number line. Now here I will explain you some tricks how to add integers. Okay. So question number 3 is add without number line. Okay. So first is 11 plus negative 7. Now how to add the integers? Okay. Whenever we add the integers, some rules are there. Okay. If two numbers are there, okay, and we have to add that numbers, okay, both the numbers are positive, then answer is positive. Okay, if both the numbers are positive and if we added that number, then addition will be there and the answer will be positive. Okay, if both the numbers are negative, then also here we do the addition, and give the negative sign. Give the negative sign to the answer. Okay. But if signs are different, means first sign is negative and another is positive. First sign is negative and another is positive, or first sign is positive. Positive means any positive number, sign is not given, but it is a positive number. Okay. And another is negative. Then in this type of case, what we have to do? We have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and give the negative sign. Sorry, not a negative sign, bigger number sign. Okay, give the bigger number sign. Okay, see, if both the numbers are positive, then answer will be positive. If both the numbers are negative, then answer will be negative. But in this type of case, if negative and positive numbers are there or positive negative numbers are there, then simply what we do, we forget the signs here. Okay, only subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, and give the bigger numbers sign. Okay. So here one number is positive, another is negative, right? First is positive, another is negative. Means positive and negative number is there. Then what we have to do? Subtract smaller number from bigger number. So bigger number is 11. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. 4. Okay. And give the bigger number sign. So what is the bigger number sign? Here sign is not given, it means that it is positive. So answer will be positive 4. Okay. Next, B is negative 13 plus positive 18. Negative 13 plus positive 18. Same method we have to use. Here one number is positive, one is negative and another is positive. Then subtract smaller number from a bigger number. So it is a smaller, it is bigger. Okay. So first compare that both the numbers. So it is smaller, it is bigger. So subtract this number from 18. So 18 less 13, 5. And give the bigger number sign. So it is positive 5. Okay. It's very easy but very important. Okay. Because lots of students makes mistake here. Okay. What mistakes they do? Actually, they learn these rules like positive, 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 or plus, 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 minus, 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 plus, minus, okay, minus, minus, plus, like this. But don't learn like this, because it is only in a multiplication and division. Don't learn this in or use this type in a addition or subtraction. Okay. So another example we will take here, both the negative numbers. So negative 380 plus negative 270. See, if negative numbers are there, always keep them in a bracket. Okay. So both the numbers are negative. Then what we have to do? Add the numbers and give respective sign. If both the numbers are positive, then positive. Both the numbers are negative, then negative. So both the numbers are negative. So answer is also negative. Okay. Now add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 7, 15. 5, 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6. So answer is negative 650. Okay. And one more thing. If you are not giving sign here, then your answer wrong. Why wrong? Because negative 650 and only 650, there is too much difference. Okay. In negative 650 and only 650, there is too much difference. Okay. What is the difference? I will explain you. If negative 1 is there and positive 1 is there, okay, see, it is 1. If we hide the sign, okay, then number is 1. But there are lots of numbers in between the negative 1 and positive 1. How? See, if negative 1 and positive 1 is there, okay, now 0 is there in between. So it will start with 0 0.1, 0 0.2, I will explain here. 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4 up to 0 0.9 and then 1.0 means 1. Okay, same here. Negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3 and so on, negative 1.0. Okay, now it is only 10 and 20 numbers, but there are lots of numbers. How? There, if it is 0, then we start with 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 up to 0.99 and then it will be 1.0. Means 99 numbers are here, 99 numbers are here. Okay, if we started with 0.001, then 999 numbers are there, 999 numbers are here. Okay, so in between negative 1 and positive 1, there are lots of numbers. Okay, so there is too much difference in between negative number and positive number. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now question number 4 is find the sum of. Same, only question is different but method is same. Question number 4 is find the sum of what? 137 and negative 354. Here sign is not given. Okay, only and is given. And means addition. Okay, so write down first 137 plus negative 354. Here it is negative number, so we use bracket. Okay, now what is the answer? First number is positive, another is negative, so subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, so 354 minus 137. Okay, what do I have to do? Subtract this 137 from 354. and give the bigger number sign. Which number is bigger? 354 is bigger, so give the negative sign. That's it. Okay, so solve this. Question number 4. You have to write like this. B is negative 52 and 52. Okay, negative 52 and 52. So how to write this? Negative 52 plus 52. Okay, now here if the numbers are like this, then what is it? It's the additive inverse. These are the additive inverse. Now what is meant by additive inverse? Additive inverse means suppose 52 is there, then additive inverse of 52 is negative 52. If number is 2, then additive inverse of 2 negative 2. If number is negative 3, then additive inverse of negative 3 is 3. Okay, means opposite signs. If negative number is negative, then its additive inverse is positive. If number is positive, then its additive inverse is negative. And if we added any additive inverse, then we get the answer 0. No need to do calculation here. Okay, so answer will be 0. Okay, so here our exercise 6.2 is over. Okay, I will continue here exercise 6.3 also. Okay, so here we started exercise 6.3 also. Okay, in 6.3 there is a subtraction. Okay, we already saw the addition. Now here it is subtraction. So in subtraction, what to do? Some rules are there for subtraction, same just like addition. Okay, so first rule is, if both the numbers are positive, then what? In addition, if both the numbers are positive, then sign is positive. But here, answer will be changed. Here, if both the numbers are positive, then what we have to do? We have to take this first number as it is. Okay, change the sign here. If subtraction is there, then we do addition. Okay, and change the sign of this opposite sign we want, or additive inverse. So additive inverse means negative sign. Okay, now it is same just like a addition. One number is positive, another is negative, then subtract smaller number from a bigger number and give the bigger number sign. Okay, so first example we will take here. Suppose number is positive 2 minus positive 3. Positive 2 minus positive 3. Then keep this number as it is, positive 2. Now change the sign of this. Subtraction is there, so we do the addition. Now additive inverse of positive 3, it is negative 3. Additive inverse means opposite side. Number is same, but sign will be changed. So here positive 3 is there, here it is negative 3. Now we get the addition. Okay, here it is addition. So one number is positive, another is negative, then subtract. Subtract. Which number we have to subtract? Smaller number from the bigger number. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, and give the bigger number sign. So bigger number sign is negative. So answer will be negative 1. Suppose the example like this, positive 3 minus positive 2. Then what will be the answer? Same, keep this number positive 3 as it is. Change the sign here. If subtraction is there, then do the addition, and additive inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. Then same, the rule of addition, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, and give the bigger number sign. So answer is positive 1. Okay, it means that if you do the addition or subtraction of integers, then places must be same. Means if the place is here on the left side, then we have to put the number in the left side only. If the places are changed, see here in the first place there is a positive 2 and here positive 3, but here it is positive 3 and positive 2. Okay, answer will be changed, negative 1, positive 1. Lots of differences there, negative 1 and positive 1. Okay, so keep it in mind. So it is the first rule, that if both the numbers are positive, then how to do. We will take another example. Same negative, if both the numbers are negative. Negative 2 minus negative 3. Same number I will take here. Okay. So take first number as it is. So it is negative 2. Change this subtraction to addition, and additive inverse of this, it will be positive 3. Okay. Now same addition is here. First number is negative, another is positive. Then subtract it. So 3 minus 2, 1, and give the bigger number sign. Okay. So if both the numbers are negative, then we have to solve like this. Now if first number is negative and another is positive, or first number is positive and another is negative, then what to do? Same, negative 2 minus positive 3. Same, take the number negative 2 as it is. Here subtraction is there, we do the addition, and additive inverse of positive 3 is negative 3. Okay, now we get both the numbers negative here. Okay, if both the numbers are negative, then in the addition rule, what is the addition rule? If both the numbers are negative, then add it and give the negative sign. So 3 plus 2, 5. It is negative 5. Okay. So if first number is negative, another is positive, then simply same method is there in subtraction, but here it is changed. Okay. First method is same, but another is changed. So if first number is positive and another is negative, then what to do? Same, positive 3 as it is. Here subtraction, addition will be there. Negative 2, it is positive 2. Now both the numbers are positive, then add it and give the positive sign. Okay. So it is all about exercise 6.3. Solve it. Okay. Subtraction is there. I will send you PDF of this exercise 6.3 and recheck it. Okay. So thank you very much. Best of luck for your exam. Okay. If you are having any query, then you can comment in the comment box or send me on a WhatsApp. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.